Ever wondered how to make a perfect cappuccino at home? Well, it's easier than you might think. You don't need a barista certificate or a fancy coffee shop setup. All you need is the right ingredients, a little patience, and a love for coffee. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For a single, beautiful cup of cappuccino, you'll need 1 shot of espresso or half a cup of strong brewed coffee, 1 cup of milk, and a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon for that extra touch of sophistication. Step 2. Brew your coffee. If you're using an espresso machine, pull a single shot. If you don't have one, no worries. Brew a strong half cup of coffee. The key here is the strength. A cappuccino requires a robust coffee base to balance out the milk. Step 3. Steam your milk. For this, you'll need a milk frother. If you don't have one, a simple hack is to heat your milk on the stove or in the microwave until hot, then whisk it vigorously until it's frothy. The goal is to create a thick, creamy foam. Step 4. Combine your ingredients. Pour your brewed coffee or espresso into a large cup. Slowly add the steamed milk, holding back the foam with a spoon. Once the cup is nearly full, spoon the fluffy milk foam on top. Step 5. Sprinkle a bit of cocoa powder or cinnamon on top for a professional touch. And there you have it. A perfect cappuccino crafted right in your own kitchen. To recap, making a cappuccino at home is a simple 5-step process. Gather your ingredients, brew your coffee, steam your milk, combine your ingredients, and finish with a sprinkle of cocoa powder or cinnamon. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out as expected. Keep at it, and soon you'll be sipping on a cup of cappuccino that rivals any coffee shop brew. So why wait for your next coffee shop visit to enjoy a cappuccino? With these easy steps, you can bring the coffee shop experience right into your own kitchen. Happy brewing!